your time. I'll request you to kindly stay on, as Balochistan leader Mir Yar Baloch has announced today that the Balochistan Parliament will soon be passing a resolution to drag the Pakistani perpetrators to the International Criminal Court for their war crimes in Bangladesh, Afghanistan, India and Baloch. All right, Ajay Jandial is there with me live on the broadcast. Ajay, what are you picking up as far as now Balochistan's latest call for the criminal court of Mir Yar Baloch's comment is concerned?
See, Balochistan people, they are continuously saying that the international community must hear their voices, those who are fighting for their rights, those who are fighting against Pakistan forces, those who are responsible for the, disappearing of people, those who are responsible for the killing and atrocity on the people over there. They want a human rights, International Human Rights Commission to see that what is happening over there, because they say that the way basically either a Mir Yar incident or other incident happened in Balochistan, that need to be addressed, and international community need to see that way what exactly they are facing for last many years.
All right, Ajay, thank you very much for sharing more details. Now, Mir Yar Baloch has posted a video on X stating that on 12th of May at the midnight, Pakistan's occupational army has razed the house of Huran Baloch, who is a human rights defender. She says that the Pakistani forces have looted valuables from her house. All right. Now, Mir Yar Baloch's video that has been posted on the platform X has also sparked concerns. She has posted this video of alleging that Pakistani army has razed the house of Huran Baloch. Wing Commander Praful Bakshi continues to be with us on the broadcast. Sir, how do you view these independent claims that have been made against Pakistan from Baloch? Does this also stand the scrutiny of verifiable evidence in the criminal court?
International Criminal Court takes up, it does not take up on normal law and order cases in the country. It takes up cases of international armed conflict and non-international armed conflict. Which category does this conflict between Balochistan and Pakistan, which is a country, Balochistan is a state of Pakistan, which category does it stand? It is not an international armed conflict because there are no two countries, there is one country. Is it a non-international armed conflict? For non-international armed conflict, it has to be declared thus that it is an occupational army, Pakistan, which are occupied forcibly, or they are fighting for the independence, Balochistan. Now this has to be ascertained, and it has to be declared as NIAC, non-international armed conflict, and Geneva Conventions must apply. If that is be so, then it can go into the International Criminal Court. But I dare say it has not been announced as a non-international armed conflict, neither an international armed conflict. It cannot be. So I doubt very much that any individual case of this lady's house being burgled by a Pakistan army or whatever cases will be taken by the ICC. If it was an international conflict, then every single case can go. Even I as a soldier can be taken up by the International Criminal Court if it is proven that I violated a Geneva Convention or something. So this is very important. A normal law and order case will not go. So we have to make sure into what category does this conflict of Balochistan fall in. So Simran, that is what it is. But other independent inquiries ordered by human rights groups, etc., they will continue. And opinion will have to be created when the matter goes to United Nations or whatever the UN independent bodies is there. And then the statement of lot of these independent groups will be counted in that court or something. But I personally feel it seems very difficult how it can go into the International Criminal Court, this case, until it is a non-international armed conflict.
Well, all right. In fact, Mr. Bakshi, thank you very much for being with us on the broadcast. Now, let's also shift our focus to more developments. Baloch leader Mir Yar Baloch has reshared Prime Minister Narendra Modi's post